Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to add an extension in Google Chrome that can take a screenshot of your entire web page. Okay, so this is a very simple extension that you can just apply, and you can take a screenshot of a particular location within your web page, or you can scroll down to the end of the web page and take a screenshot of the entire page. So to get to that, all you need to do is to start by coming to this extension button here. You just click on it, and then you can come to manage extensions, and you can come to this hamburger and just go straight down to open Chrome Web Store. Once you're here, you can come to the search button, search bar here, and just search for FireShots. Okay, you just search for FireShots. You can see it over here. Take web page screenshots entirely using this FireShot. So you just click on it, and you can say add to Chrome, and you can say yes, add extension. All right, it has been added to Google Chrome. So you can see I have FireShot Lite installed directly. So once you come to the extensions and you click on this, it's going to enable you to open the FireShots. So the first thing is you can capture entire page, which you can do with Ctrl+Shift+S, or you can do capture visible parts within the page, or capture selection. So let's say, for example, for this case, we want to do capture selection. And once you click on this, you have to select the page. Okay, so you can see you are zooming in, and it's going to take in the entire page. Okay, this is going to take the whole page, and once you release your hand, you can see it has shown you a preview. It's going to show you a preview of it, and you can see the whole page has been captured. Okay, this is just to capture the whole page. And then down to the right here, you have the option to save the image. You can save as an image, or you can save as a PDF. Okay, save to PDF, save to image, anyone, or you can customize it to your liking, to maybe to PNG or to JPEG, or you can check other customization features over here. Like you can have hotkeys also if you so wish to enable this, or you try other advanced features, and once you're done, you click on apply, and it's going to take effect on this. All right, so the customization works. Over here, you can copy to clipboard. Once you click on this, it has been copied to clipboard. You can see success over here, and you can paste it anywhere within any kind of document. For example, in a Microsoft Word document, we can paste this. So let's say we go to Word document, and we click to open. Say a new page. And because we've copied it on the clipboard, we can just do Ctrl+V to paste it, and you can check and see this is the entire page that it has copied. So regardless of how big or how long is the page, this software or this extension is going to help you to copy it completely, and you can paste it anywhere as an image, or you can make a PDF file of it. You can upgrade to FireShot Pro, but for now, the free version can do virtually anything for you. Just go with the free version, and you can do quite so much with it. So this is quite handy when you are dealing with issues when you have to showcase, or you have to present an entire web page, maybe within a single slide. You can do all this, showing all the key technical features over there. So whichever page you are on, once you come over to this extension icon, you can just come all the way to take web page screenshot, and you can see them. You can check the options over here to customize, like we have just said. You can customize saving process. You can say do not save as long, do not show save as. Okay, you can disable this. You can show downloaded file in its folder after saving. You can disable this or enable, and you can close tab after saving. You can enable this also. Default output is FireShots. This is the name. Okay, so show file name template settings. You can click on this, and you can see the templates, the settings over here. And down here, you have the option to hide the file template. You can enable the FireShot API if you want, but for now, we just go with the default settings. And I think it's quite okay and very good. Save on PNG, and it's quite fantastic. Additionally, you can take other shots, like we'll come to extension, and we can come to the Okay, so you can capture an entire page. So once you click on capture entire page, it has captured it automatically, so no need for you to go on and keep scrolling to capture the selected places. It will capture the entire page with just a single click to capture everything for you. All right, next is you can capture visible parts. So once you click, it's going to capture only the visible part, okay, only within the screen that you have shown, only that screen, that is what is going to, only that web page that is visible, that's what is going to capture. So basically this is just a bit on how to add the extension for you to use to take entire web page screenshot, or to take the visible part, or to even take selection. Okay, you can take selected areas. For example, you can just highlight it, will serve just like the main snippets that you take a screenshot of a particular part of the web page. So ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.